Hi guys, my name is Zenobia and welcome to my channel. This was going to be a tutorial. It's kind of more of like a get ready with me because I don't know, things went the way they did and this is what it came with. So if you want to check it out, let's do that. Okay guys, we're going to start out with my Carly Bible Deluxe palette. I'm going to lay down a base with this middle shade right here. Just use some fluffy brush. I'm going to put that all over the upper portion of my lid. So avoiding the mobile lid at this moment, or at this time rather. And I have an idea in my head, but you know, I haven't tried it or anything, so we're gonna see what happens. I'm also going to use this kind of how to describe that shade, it's like a little darker cranberry. Why did it get dark? I'm gonna use that shade in the crease as like a transition color. It's like a kind of rosy brown color-ish. Just use it to lay down a base because we're probably going to cover up quite a bit of it in a second here. St. Patrick's Day is the first holiday I ever celebrated in my life because my birthday is on the 11th and it's on the 17th. So I don't know, I kind of get excited about it more than not all other holidays, but a lot of holidays. So I'm going to use, this is my Buxom Custom palette, and I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's in the color Prenup. So you can go in and pick 6 shadows and you get a free palette to put them in when you do that. And I'm going to take just a flat brush and kind of draw out our shape here because I want to do like a really exaggerated V. And one thing I really like about these shadows is that they have a built-in primer, so like the pigmentation I don't ever have problems with, like I don't ever have to put down another color on underneath them. Pigmentation is really good. So I don't know how well you can see there. I think my light's kind of blowing it out. I'm trying to do just like a really big V shape and exaggerate that out, and then take this into the crease. And I'm just using like the, like I'm going straight on to keep the flat edge to draw out the shape, and then I'm just using the side of it to kind of spread that color out. So we have a pretty good V right there. And I also have, this is my Coastal Scents shadow brush. It's pretty big though, so let's see, it might be too big for what I want. Yeah, I'm not gonna risk it. Let's get a smaller brush. So this is just an Urban Decay. This is one of their ones that comes in like all their palettes, the double-ended one. And I'm going to use the more dense side and just really pack that color onto that outer corner. A nice shimmery leprechaun green. And I'm thinking I want my edge a little bit straighter, so right now you see it's kind of like going like a curve like that. I want it straight, so I'm going to go and straighten that out. There we go. Alright, so let's try to do the same thing on the other side. That is the trick here.
To get it at the same height. So if I'm kind of looking back and forth, that's fine. I want to make sure that these are kind of lining up. It's just like my nature to want to just like swoop it into the crease, but trying to get really like sort of edgy. Yeah, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay brush again and kind of fill it in.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna get that green and put that green in the inner corner with that Urban Decay brush. My lids are set with, I did set them with powder today, so like there's not a tacky base. And I think what's going to be easiest for me to do at this point is just to connect those. I want to do a halo eye, but just so that I can do the shape properly, I think it's going to be easiest if I just, and make sure I go high enough above my crease. I'm just going to go ahead and connect them. So I'm going slightly above my crease so that it shows a little bit better whenever my eyes are open. Because I want to wear falsies today and we don't want to cover up our look. Let's just go back and forth to make sure that we're getting the same thing on each eye. Make sure each eye is looking as similar as possible.
I'm just gonna fill it in because I feel like when it's filled in I'll be able to see a little bit easier. That both eyes are the same. This green is killer. I'm loving it. So the fact that it's called green, that gives like such a like bright, vibrant green. It makes me think of poison ivy. It's like poison ivy green. You know, I didn't, this is a dry brush. It's not wet or anything. And these are so like foil. I love that. Okay.
All right, got our base laid down. I'm gonna take that green and carry it onto the lower lash line.
So. Like so. And we're just gonna go ahead and carry it all the way to the center. Like all the way around, like connecting it in this little corner right here. Like so. So, I'd like to know down below what you guys are doing for St. Patty's Day. Also, what is your holiday that's like closest to your birthday? Like that would have been the first holiday in your life that you celebrate, you know. Okay, so there's that.
I'm like, I keep holding my breath because I like don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna go in with the NYX eyeshadow base. This is their just plain white one. This is just a brush that came in a Hot Topic palette that I got. I'm gonna scoop that base off. Just use it like a little mixy thing. And we're gonna put this right in the center over that green. So you can use concealer, you can use a lot of people I know use like do the NYX eyeshadow pencil in Milk. I just kind of like this one. So with this, I'm going to take it all the way up to the top and create like that little kind of pooling effect. You know, where it looks kind of like the eyeshadow is pooling at the top of the look and becomes more narrow. I'm having a hard time talking and doing this, sorry.
So like basically where it goes up further up top is what I'm trying to do here. The little light is gonna work out that way, but we're gonna try to make it work. Just trying to use all that stuff I scripted as much as I could back into the thing, and I'm just trying to use this wet on the little lid plastic thingy. Hit this. I also have trouble with is making this even. I just have trouble making it even on both eyes. It's so hard for me to do. Do you guys struggle with this? I get really ambitious and then I'm like, whoa, what am I doing? So, going up to the top. Just trying to create a clean line on my hidden lids. Keep a little bit cool, that was too much. I'm gonna cut that, that would have been bad. Go on my eyes with as much as I was on that brush, that's still not too much, but I'm just gonna try to do this here. Try to do this halo eye, cut crease, dealio. That is gonna, it's not doing the kind of halo like I wanted it to do, but we're gonna see if we can just make that work. What it is.
You know, I tried doing the NYX makeup crayon thing in milk. Sorry, I'm just trying to get this white stuff all over my eyes. But, eyelashes. But, I found that that one creases a lot on me, and this one, once I set it with the eyeshadow, I don't have that problem with it creasing. So for any of you that have that issue of it creasing, that those jumbo eye pencils, you might want to try looking into a base like this. Okay, now we're going to go in with my Buxom eyeshadow. This is in the color Room Service. It's like a shimmery pale green. And we're going to put that on top. And I'm going to use, this is an It Cosmetic brush, and they have like that, like a All About Eyes brush set. And so they're all dual-ended. And I'm going to use this really dense, kind of comes to a narrow point brush. We're going to try to use this one. No, never mind, we're not doing that one. Never mind, we're going to use the Eco Tools crease brush. That one's just a little too stiff. That's what was happening there. And let's just put that directly on top of the white we just put down. It is paler than I thought it was going to be. And you know what I want to try to do, because I never did these with these before, is I'm going to wet it and try to, it's just with water, just to foil it a little bit. Like that. I am going to use that narrow side to do up here though. Okay, now we have that laid down, I'm going to go back in with the green, the prenup color, that green at the top.
And I'm going to fix the top first. So that looks smooth like. Oops. And now I'm going to take the
Urban Decay brush, and we're going to go, sorry, I keep covering up my light. We're going to go create that shape that I wanted before. That like narrow to larger shape.
I'm just going to keep alternating between the Urban Decay brush and that flat top brush that I had used before. Alternate till we get the shape we want. Gonna give it like a gradient too. There we go. That's looking more like I want it to do. Alright, let's see if we can do the same without jacking everything up. I'm gonna go ahead and put the mirror portions in. I don't know if I can call this a tutorial, or if it's just gonna be like a Get Ready With Me / Tutorialish. What was it? I had a vision in my head when I sat down.
This is kind of what I was going for, so we're just going to stop where we're ahead and leave it as is right now, because that's what I wanted with the green. And now we're going to go in with some liner. Now I have my Tarte's Clay Paint liner in bronze, and we're going to put that right out here. There we go. All right, I'm gonna put some false lashes on, and I cannot do that on camera because I'm stink at it, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my lashes on. These are the Andrea 53 lashes. They're like the only ones I use. I like the band, and I think they look pretty natural, like as natural as falsies can look, I guess. So we're gonna do my eyeliner. I always do my eyeliner after my lashes because I like to try to cover any of the band. And so I just kind of go behind my lashes and stamp it. I don't have any mascara on yet, it's just the lashes. And then I use like the tip to draw a line over it. And then I'm thinking we'll do just a little tiny wing. Just not really a wing, just like a flick. Just like a little flick, like that. Go. So far this is what we've got. I'm going to use my Tartiest mascara. Comb through. There we go. Nothing too extreme, but a little bit out there, nice and flashy. And actually, let's add a little pop. I'm gonna go back into the Carly Bible palette, and there is this like gold color right there, and we're gonna get that on a little tiny brush. Ooh. And let's pop that into the inner corner, not over the green completely, just like out a little bit, and then under the brow bone. Just a smear. Also, it's snowing, so it's kind of dark outside, and that messes with my lighting too. Alright, now we're done. Alright guys, so this didn't go quite as well as I planned, but it is what it is. I'm wearing the Clinique so moisturizing gloss in the color Raspberry. I'm just gonna do like a matte lip, but I don't really want to, so this is more because my lips are dry, so a little bit of a muted down lip for the look. But anyway, thanks for toughing it out with me. You know, I like how it turned out. I do, and I think it's fairly simple to achieve, you know, not too much. But anyway, thank you guys for hanging out. You can subscribe right up here if you're not subscribed already, and there's a couple of videos in the bottom of the screen that you're welcome to check out as well. But thanks for hanging out, and thank you just for watching and being a part of my day here today. I will see you guys soon. Love ya. Bye.